I want to demonstrate average of levels in binary tree on Leetcode. Given a non-empty binary tree, return the average value of the nodes on each level in the form of an array. So here's the binary tree right here. A binary tree has a root, and this is the parent, and every parent has a maximum of 2 children right here. So this 20 is the parent of this 15 and 7. It can't have any more than these 2 children. And here's the output. So the average of 9 and 20 is 14 and a half, and that's the one index representing this, and then 11 is in the middle of 7 and 15, the index number 2 representing this row. So here we go, and this explains that right there. All right, so first I'm going to start off with an edge case that takes care of this non-empty binary tree, so it can't be empty. So if the root equals null, return 0. Now I'm going to make 2 variables. The first one called result, and that's what we're going to return at the end of the function. I'm going to set that to an empty array, and then next I'm going to create a variable named temp, and that's going to equal an array, but it's not going to be empty. It's going to have our root parameter inside that. Our result equals the empty array, and var temp equals an array with the root inside. I'm going to create a while loop that will iterate as long as this temp has a length property. So as long as there's anything inside this array. While temp.length is truthy, iterate. I'm going to create 2 more variables. The first one is called new temp, and that's going to equal another empty array. And then I'm going to create a sum and set its state to 0. Now, nested inside this while loop, I'm going to create a for loop, and I'm going to set a variable named node, which will iterate through temp right here. So for let node of temp. And node right here represents each node on the binary tree. Each number is a node. So we're iterating through the tree now. So if this node has a right or left property on it, we're going to push that into this new temp array. So 2 conditional statements. If node dot left, new temp dot push, node dot left. And we're going to do the same thing, but for the right side as well. All right. We're going to push the sum divided by the temp.length. That's going to be pushed into the result. And the new temp that we have been using inside this while loop, we're just going to update it to this temp right here. So temp equals new temp. And then we're going to return the result. Run it. Wrong. So I think I need to change these bars to let. Update the sum, and the sum is going to equal itself plus the node value. So sum plus equals node dot val. Submit. And that works too.